What's up guys, welcome to the vlog. Today I have something really exciting to show you and it's in my bag. It's just right in my bag. 'Cause we're gonna be legends, gonna get their attention. What we're doing here ain't just scary, it's about to be legendary. Yeah, we're gonna be legends. See, the thing is, my bag's upstairs. I swear I'll get it for you in a sec, but I had a really early exam today. I'm still in the middle of my exams, so I just gotta make a quick sandwich first. And post-exam hunger is gone. So the exam I had today was a really interesting module, but like a kind of weird exam. The actual module title was IT and Society, and I spoke a bit about it before in a previous vlog. It's all about how artificial intelligence is essentially going to kill us. But back to the surprise in the bag. It is incredibly exciting. It's actually so exciting, we gotta take this bag outside. Let's go. But Dan, isn't your foot still fractured? Should you be walking on it? Probably not's the answer. Should I be studying for my last college exam, which is in 2 days? Definitely. But what I have on my back, it's just too exciting not. It's just too exciting not to show you right now. I gotta just show you like right away. Look what I got. I got a drone. This is awesome. And we're back home. That was actually the most fun I have had in so long. Drones are literally so much fun. It was amazing. I'm actually pretty happy with the drone footage I got, considering it's my first time actually ever flying a drone. Like, I've never even been around other videographers with drones. I've never handled a controller. I was YouTubing everything last night before my exam. Not ideal, don't do that kids. But I'm actually happy with the way the footage came out, and I kind of handled the drone well. I lost sight of it a couple of times. I had one not so soft landing, but apart from that, I am very happy. Now this drone is just one of a list of things that I'm getting. I made some significant videography moves, given that I'm finished college on Monday, and I got a lot of stuff ahead of me that I'm very excited for. Also, the foot has held up nicely. I am not in agony, so things are looking up. Okay, so I'm actually pretty proud of this vlog. I put a bit of work into it when I ideally shouldn't have. I know I should be studying for my exam, but I swear I'm going to go do that now. I hope you enjoyed. As I just said, there's going to be a lot more cool stuff. A lot more cool content coming in the coming weeks especially. So please hit the subscribe button, like, and comment below if you're interested in collabing or just anyway interested in vlogs. I love having conversations with like-minded people who do stuff like this. Thanks guys.
Ooh.